Optimizing your YouTube videos. Optimizing your videos properly is essential. When you are first starting out, this is really important as you need to do everything that you can to ensure that your videos come up in a YouTube search. It will also increase your chances of your videos ranking high in Google as well. It all starts with keyword research. You need to find out what people are likely to enter into the search box in YouTube to find your videos. The best way to do this is through keyword research. You can do this for free using the Google Keyword Planner. You will need to create a free Google AdWords account to access this tool. Let's say that you are creating a video about traveling to Japan. When you are in the Google Keyword Planner, enter the seed keyword Japan travel and then see what other keyword suggestions Google has to offer. You can download these suggestions in a CSV file, which you can open with most spreadsheet applications such as Microsoft Excel. Go through the list and choose the best keywords. Look at the estimated search volumes. You want to come up with a list of around 10 keywords for each video. Decide which keyword will be your main keyword. Maybe this could be travel to Japan. Create a compelling title around your main keyword. You need to come up with an appealing title so that when people see your video in the search results, they will want to watch it. So, for our Japan example, you could use something like travel to Japan for fun and excitement. Make sure that you include your main keyword in the title. Don't just leave the title as travel to Japan. This will not inspire that many people to watch your video. Use other words to create excitement. Another approach may be travel to Japan. You won't believe what happened to me. This creates curiosity. Try writing a number of different titles with your keyword in them. Go for 10 different titles and then choose the best one. If you can get the keyword in at the beginning of the title, then that is preferable, but it doesn't matter that much. So just go wild here with your ideas. Remember that the more enticing you make your title, the more views you will get. Write a keyword-rich description. Some people like to read the description of a video before they watch it, so make this compelling as well. We recommend that your description is at least 300 words long and contains your secondary keywords that you found earlier. Tell people what the video is about, but don't give everything away. You can always say something like, "You won't believe what happened at the end of this video," or "I have a big surprise for you at the end of the video." Just use techniques to hook the viewer and encourage them to watch all the way through. Don't go crazy with keywords in the description. If you can't fit them in naturally, then don't add them. Use the right tags for your video. Only use keywords and tags that are related to your video. If your video is about traveling to Japan, then don't add unrelated keywords in such as how to speak Chinese. If someone is looking to learn Chinese and watches your video, they will be very unimpressed that there is nothing about learning Chinese in it. So choose about 5 related keywords, including your main keyword, and add these as tags. There is a 400-character limit on tags with YouTube at the time of writing. This doesn't mean that you have to use every last character. Be sure to speak your main keywords in the video. This one might surprise you. The thing is that technology has really advanced over the last few years, and YouTube can understand English and maybe other languages, so it will pick up on certain key phrases. Nobody knows just how accurate the YouTube system is for recognizing spoken keywords, but estimates suggest as high as 80%. This will continually improve, so it is really worth mentioning your main keyword and some secondary keywords in your video. Be sure to plan for this when creating your video script. Good video optimization doesn't take long. If you have spent a great deal of time creating a video script and a storyboard as we suggested, then it seems crazy not to spend a few minutes optimizing your videos so that they have the maximum chance of being found in a search. So use these video optimization tips every time. Don't skip the keyword research step, as this is the most important task. It will not take you long to uncover some good keywords. Even if you have a large following with your vlog, we would always recommend that you optimize each video. Ideas for profitable vlogs. Sometimes it can be tough to come up with that winning idea for a vlog that will make you a healthy profit. So, to help you, we have some great ideas for you in this video. We hope that you find an idea here that you can run with. Video games. Are you someone that enjoys playing video games a lot? There are so many people that play video games these days, and there is always room for another great vlog on the subject. New games appear all the time, and with the rise in popularity of Amazon's Twitch TV, there is so much scope for you to create quality videos. The secret to a successful video game vlog is providing the gaming community with what they want. If they enjoy the videos you create, then they will spread the word for you and your vlog will grow exponentially. Here are some ideas for videos you can create. You playing a specific game and cracking a level or beating a boss, monster, etc. A live stream about a particular game. a review of a game, old or new, your top 10 video games, create a game walkthrough, provide gaming news videos, tutorials or how-tos. A lot of people search YouTube to find out how to do something. So do you have a particular set of skills, or are you an expert in a particular subject? If so, then a series of how-to videos would be a great vlogging idea for you. People are always using the internet to ask questions, and videos are far and away the most popular medium that people choose to get the answers that they need. There are just endless opportunities for how-to video tutorials. You can definitely promote affiliate products or sell your own products on the back of a vlog like this. Here are some ideas for you. How to build something, how to make money online, life skills, personal development skills, how to get a girlfriend or boyfriend and subsequent relationship advice, learn a new language, how to get that new job and keep it, how to make money in stocks, foreign exchange, etc. Computers and tech. Do you like computers and tech gadgets? Are you an expert on mobile devices? There are so many people that just love computers and tech and would be delighted to find out what is coming next, etc. The world of technology changes all of the time, so you will never run out of ideas for videos. Here are some good ideas. Useful apps for your smartphone, the best laptops, how to use popular software such as Microsoft Office, new technology reviews, tech product comparisons, computer hacks and little-known shortcuts, create your own website, registering a domain name, how to make your computer faster, how to fix common computer problems, weight loss and fitness. Do you have knowledge about how to lose weight and keep it off? Are you a fitness expert? The demand for how-to videos in this area is huge, and the subject is so vast that you should never run out of new ideas for videos. Here are some ideas to think about. Weight loss tips. Compare popular diets, in other words, paleo, keto, etc. Healthy eating recipes. How to avoid food and beverages that will make you gain weight. Exercising for beginners. How to do an exercise properly, in other words, push-ups. How to get fit and ripped without going to the gym. The benefits of yoga. Specific yoga exercises. Personal development. This is another huge subject. People always want to improve their lives, and if you have the knowledge to help them do this, then it can open all kinds of doors for you. Here are some great ideas for videos. X ways to be more confident. How to overcome your fears. How to break through your comfort zone. How to set goals and achieve them. How to increase your self-esteem. How to be a great conversationalist. How to persuade people to do anything. How to use NLP to change your life. How to stop living in the past. Travel. Do you like traveling? Have you been or plan to go on an adventure across the world? Can you provide recommendations for the best things to do in popular countries and cities? Do you want to spend your life traveling the world and enjoying new experiences? So many other people do as well. It is true that there are already a lot of travel vlogs out there, but there's always room for more. Just do something different to the rest. Here are some ideas for you. Cool places you won't have visited. The Insider Guide to a popular tourist attraction. Finding those isolated beaches. How to survive in location. The top 10 places you must visit. The best way to pack a suitcase. Traveling on a budget. Music. Are you a musician? Can you teach people how to play an instrument or how to sing properly? Do you know a lot about retro music? Music is huge on YouTube, and good how-to videos are always popular. Here are some ideas for you. How to play the guitar. How to play drums. How to sing. How to fix a broken instrument. The best guitars or whatever instrument available. How to read and write music. Famous song covers. How to write great lyrics. The best bands of genre, decade, etc. How to use an audio editor to mix music. Music equipment reviews. Pets. Some of the most popular videos on YouTube are about pets. Everyone has seen a funny cat video or a dog doing special tricks. There are many animal lovers in the world, and they can't get enough content about pets. Here are some great video ideas. How to take care of your pet. Cat, dog, guinea pig, horse, etc. How to train your dog. There's so many possibilities here. How to teach your cat or dog to do tricks. The best clothes for your cat or dog. The best names for your new pet. The best accessories for your new pet. How to groom your pet. Exotic pets. Traveling with your pet. The best food for your pet. Beauty. Are you someone that knows how to apply makeup correctly? Are you in touch with all the latest fashions? Can you provide tips and advice for smoother and healthier skin? This market is massive and the demand for information will always be there. Here are some great video ideas. Different makeup tutorials. How to make your skin look younger. How to take care of your hair. The best outfits for the larger person. The latest fashion accessories you must have. How to choose the perfect outfit for the occasion. The best shoes for women. The latest fashion trends. How to look stunning on a budget. Manicure and pedicure tutorials. Cooking, recipes, and food. Can you teach people how to cook? Can you show them how to create great tasting meals? Do you have great recipes to share? Do you know the best restaurants? Can you tell people what to eat when they visit specific countries or cities? Food is a huge subject and always in demand. Here are some awesome video ideas for you. How to cook, whatever it is. Eating well on a budget. The best dishes in? The top 10 restaurants in. How to make healthy snacks. The best foods for losing weight. Exotic cooking. Recipes for dishes you have never heard of. The must-have kitchen accessories. How to prepare food properly. How to bake perfect cakes. Meals that will delight your family. What to eat when you are visiting. We hope that you find these ideas inspiring. Creating a vlog that contains how-to videos is a great way to go, and you will be able to monetize in a number of different ways. This is not an exhaustive list by any means, so have a good look at what you know and develop a plan for your vlog. Free tools for growing your YouTube channel. There are some essential tools that you can use to grow your YouTube channel, and the good news is that they are all free. Most of them are easy to use and the benefits are pretty obvious. Let's take a look at some of the best free tools. TubeBuddy. The major benefit of using TubeBuddy is that it will save you a lot of time. It also provides you with some great pointers to really grow your YouTube channel. TubeBuddy is a browser app which works with the most commonly used browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. When you use TubeBuddy, you will find that it has dozens of useful features from checking the SEO optimization of your videos to helping you promote your channel. There are comprehensive training videos available that explain everything really well. You can literally save hours each week with this app. You can do a great deal with the free version of TubeBuddy, and we suggest that you start with this. If you want more features, then there is a Pro package available for $9 a month, a Star package for $19 a month, and a Legend package for $49 a month. YouTube Creator Studio. This is another free app which is great for checking the performance of your channel and videos on the go. You can use it on your iPhone by downloading it here and your Android phone by downloading here. You can't actually manage your videos with this app, but you can do everything else. It is great for finding out just how well your videos are performing, as well as look at the overall performance of your channel wherever you are. There is a filter feature where you can respond to comments and create that essential connection with your viewers. This alone makes the app worth installing on your smartphone. Buffer.com. We explained to you in the previous video that using social media to grow your YouTube channel and vlog is highly recommended. To help you share your videos on social media platforms, the Buffer app is a really great tool. With Buffer, you can schedule and post your content on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. There is one simple dashboard for managing everything. The free Buffer plan is for a maximum of 3 social accounts, and you can schedule 10 posts a month as a single user. If you have more than 3 social accounts or plan to make more than 10 posts a month, then there are premium plans you can go for starting at $15 a month. Whatever plan you choose, you will save a lot of time if you use Buffer to schedule your posts. There is a browser extension that you can use to post content automatically to Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Audio Hero. It can be a real challenge to find great royalty-free music for your YouTube videos. Audio Hero makes finding great music and sound effects for your videos really easy. There is a huge library of more than 250,000 music clips and sound effects to choose from, so you should never have any difficulty finding what you want. Although the Audio Hero app is free, to use the soundtracks you will have to pay a small fee. This is a lot better than running the risk of infringing copyright and even having your videos removed. At the time of writing, you can purchase 50 downloads of royalty-free music clips or sound effects for only $9.99. Snappa. Creating your own graphics or finding a good and reliable graphic designer can be a real headache. You know that you need high-quality graphics to grow your YouTube channel, so what do? Just use Snappa, of course. There are a lot of pre-made templates you can use in Snappa. You can use Snappa easily to create your initial channel art, and then for really attractive video thumbnails as you upload your videos. It is really important that your thumbnails look great. This can literally mean the difference between somebody watching your video and someone else's. The free version has 5,000 templates and you can create 5 graphics a month. If you want more, then plans start at $10 a month. Repost for Instagram. Repost for Instagram is another useful app for your iPhone and Android phone. Get the Android version here and the iPhone version here. We cannot recommend Instagram highly enough as a great social platform to promote your vlog. It has a huge user base that is growing all the time. When you have the Repost for Instagram app, you will be able to repost videos or images that your followers shared. You can actually include the username of the person that shared the content, highly recommended, so that they get credit and your followers can easily check them out.